high quality animated videos. Most powerful e-learning platform we visually simplify. Exam focused clarity material. Hello everyone out there. I want to introduce you to something that's redefining how medicine is learned, that is Proceum. We have built what we believe is the most powerful e-learning platform for the medical students, where complex topics are transformed into visually engaging, high-quality animated videos. Medical education is intense. The textbooks are heavy. The concepts are dense. And traditional learning often leaves the students overwhelmed and underprepared. That's where Proceum steps in to bridge the gap between understanding and memorization, between reading and truly learning. At Proceum, we don't just teach, we visually simplify. Every animation we create is clinically relevant, exam focused, and designed to make even the most challenging subject feel like easy and unforgettable. From physiology and pharmacology to pathology and anatomy, we have got it covered, and not just in theory, but in a way that you can see, feel, and retain. Whether you are preparing for any of the competitive exams, Proceum is tailored to help you to master the material in less time with better clarity. And the best part is, you can learn at your own pace, on any device, anytime, anywhere. Our vision is purely global. We support students across continents, in classrooms, in hostels, in libraries, and even during those midnight revision sessions. We are committed to making premium medical education accessible, affordable, and enjoyable. So what makes us different? And what is our unique selling proposition? We have very high quality medical animations. There is a concept-based visual learning, an exam-focused clarity material, regular content updates by the eminent expertise and subject matter experts, and the product is created by the doctors for future doctors. So one thing I want to tell you here that I have been in the same journey. I know what it takes like to prepare for competitive exams, to feel the pressure, and to crave clarity when you are stuck on a difficult topic. That's why Proceum exists, to support you through those intense moments. So this is not just a platform, this is a movement, a smarter way to learn medicine, a community where learning is visual, knowledge is power, and success is inevitable when you are guided right. So join us, learn visually, think clinically. This is Proceum, where concepts come alive. Visit proceum.com today.